Hello, welcome to Dustford Barbecue. Let's make a ham hock sandwich. Okay, so I've got a frozen, unbrined ham hock here that I'm slathering with some garlic infused oil. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be seasoning this. It's skin on, but I'm gonna season it with It's Incredible on all sides, and then everywhere, and then a little bit of extra oil, just mopping it out to make it help the seasoning stick. Okay, into the oven at 225 Celsius, or no, 225 Fahrenheit on about 110 Celsius for 4 hours, and this is what you have. And then I left it for another 3 hours until it reached an internal temperature of 200 Fahrenheit, and then I took it out, and this is what we have. It looks like a turkey leg, but it's not, it's ham. Anyway, peeling it away like you would a pork shoulder, removing the bone, removing the skin, and chopping the pieces up into bite-sized pieces so that I could go in a sandwich. Then having a keto bun, I'm going to link to that in the description below, just happening it. And then I have a processed nacho cheese dip, which is really good. I'm going to use that as a sauce today. Putting it on there, get some of the ham or the pork, somewhere in between ham and pork, a pork shoulder, I would say. Time for a taste test. There we go, some ham hock, unbrined ham hock with It's Incredible, and also some highly processed cheese dip, which is really good. I'm gonna try it. That is really, really good. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.